Hello and welcome to AdvancedRx video tutorial. In this video, we'll be looking at refill and batch refill. So let's get started. The refill tab and the batch refill tab is on the top of AdvancedRx software near the RX processing tab. It can also be found in RX process, refill, and batch refill. So we're looking at the two tabs right here, refill and batch refill, which is turned into orange. So let's look at refill first. When you click on the refill tab, it would give you an option to select via RX, or you can also unselect this and choose it via patient. So we're going to go ahead and search it via patient and see what can be done. Okay, so I'm just entering a patient, and let's suppose we select this patient, click on display, and you get the patient's profile right here in front of you. What you can do is you can just select due. As there are no due, what you can do is you can just select any one of them and click on refill. Okay, when you click on refill, it would say the previous status of the RX. Only in case if it is in non-picked up status. So as this point of time it is in non-picked up status, it says, do you want to continue? If I hit yes, it gives you option, no refills left for this RX, last fill date is this, would you like to refill new RX using same data, or send a refill request, or cancel? If you click on send refill request, you get all these options. Okay, fax a refill, e-prescribe request, add RX notes, and so on and so forth. Okay, so these are the options those are available. Meanwhile, we'll also be looking at batch refill. Okay, batch refill is so I'll just go and cancel this. When you click on batch refill is where you can do refills, all the refills at the same point of time. We just need to make sure that the RX is not in non-picked up state or non-delivered state. So we'll just go ahead and select a patient, and let's see if the patient has a refill, and let's go ahead and generate, or just generate the report. Okay, and let's not select the patient. Okay, what you can do is you can just select the dates and generate a report. Okay, it would pull up the whole report that is available. Okay, which in this case, because it's just a trial, so we have only one. Okay, so what you do is you just go ahead and select, or what you can just go ahead and click on uh, select all, and select all RX, and you can do a batch refill. When you click on batch refill, it would give you the refill status. You can go and click on send to transmit queue. It would send to transmit queue. You can click on fax, or you can set it to be refilled on time. You can export it. You can preview delivery log. You can print delivery log. There are different options how you can print or view the delivery log without drug quantity, with drug and quantity, multi RX, LTC retail delivery log, with total, with drug quantity and copay, each patient in separate panel. So yeah, all those options are available, and you can just go and click on refill, batch refill. If you have multiple, you can click all of them, select all of them, and you can just select which one you want to select, like on hold or non-hold or e-scribe, or all those options. Okay, and you can just go ahead and do a batch refill. Okay, so that concludes the video. We looked at refill, we looked at batch refill. So these are the two tabs available in near RX processing. All right, and that's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.